Okay, I'm going to show you how to stack on stacking blocks. For Show Dog, this is Sophie. She's a champion. German Shorthair Pointer, 10 years old. So she hasn't done this a long time. This is a box that my husband made. It's got metal on the bottom of it, and the blocks he made himself. They got magnetic strips on the bottom to hold them in place. You just mark where the dog, put the dog on it first to measure their stride. Put a little X there and then put the blocks on top of it. So we'll get going here in 1 second. Okay, Sophie, here we go. Here we go. Here's some. You're welcome. Come on, good girl. Get me. Help your butt. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Good. Good. Don't look at her tummy. Soft. Look soft. Soft. Good. Good girl. Good. Stay. Back. Put it back. Back, back. Good. Kind of push her back so she can kind of stack herself a little bit. Good. 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 Uh-oh, whoops. Okay. Good. 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 Okay. Good girl. Okay, Effie's first stacking experience on the stacking block. Come on, little bug. Here, stop. Good, good. Stay. Here, let me help you. Let me help you. Whoa, little boy. Push you. Put your feet down. First one. Good. First one. Put your foot up here. Good girl. Stay. Good girl. Put your feet up. Good. Good girl. Stay. Good. Very good girl. Stay. Ah. Back, back. Look, see, you done fell off. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And put your feet up here. Put your feet up. Up, up. I know, I love you too. Feet up. One. Put your feet up. Listen. One up here. Put your foot up. Put your foot up. Put your foot up. Good. 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 Good girl. Good. 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 Back good. 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 Now put your foot down. Put your foot down. Good girl. Stay. Go back just a little bit. Okay, Sophie, we're going to do down and back. Ready? Here, Sophie. Ready? Ready, Sophie? Here we go. Ready? Let's go. Up, up. Stop. Good. Good. Stay. Stay. Whoops. My fault. Cookie. Okay. Put down. Stay. Stop. Stop. Stay. Whoa. Good, good, good. Okay, Eppie on the first down and back ever. I'm going to hold her down on the leash a little bit since she doesn't know this. Ready? Round, round, round. Ready? Easy. Good, good, good. Oh, come here, babe. Whoops. Now, I want to show the best side of the dog, and hers are beautiful head in front. I want this facing the judge. Now she's sitting, she doesn't know stand. But I can fix that. Stay. Stand. Good. Good. Stay. Back front. Good. Her front feet are a little bit close together, but that's okay. She doesn't know this exercise, so good. Good. Here's the judge. Up, up. Good girl. You just don't sit. Stay. Stand. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, we're going to try down back again. Ready? Okay, ready? 3 rounds. Easy. Good. All right, here we go. Coming back at the judge. Stand. Okay. Again, her back feet are a little bit far apart. Okay. And that's okay because she doesn't know this. Okay. I can kind of manipulate her with my body to get her to stand straight a little bit. Like I said, she doesn't know this. Back. Good. Good girl. Good. Good. That's hot. Okay, good job, bud. This is going to be Eppie side go. Side movement. First time she's ever done it, so bear with us. Come on in. Much better. Much better. Good girl. Look at that. Good girl. Okay. This is Eppie number 2. I'm going to try to slow down a little bit, show you better movement, because she's got beautiful movement.